Welcome to SEC 210, Week 14. This week, we focus on Chapter 12, Data Protection and Utilization. Our goal is to learn how to protect sensitive data and simultaneously utilize it responsibly to drive informed security decisions. Let's review all the required weekly deliverables and the attendance policy. First, make sure to read Chapter 12, Data Protection and Utilization. Also, review the corresponding PowerPoints and flashcards for Chapter 12. Review this week's podcast. Don't forget, Appendix A, Preparing for the CompTIA CYSA plus CS0003 Certification Exam, and Appendix B, CompTIA CYSA plus CS0003 Certification Exam Objectives. The graded items this week include Live Virtual Machine Lab 12-1, Incident Response Communication and Reporting, the Chapter 12 Quiz, the Week 14 Podcast Quiz, and the Knowledge Check, CompTIA CYSA plus CS0003 Post-Assessment Quiz. Remember, submitting graded work weekly is your online attendance. There is absolutely no late work accepted. Everything is due by the date shown at the top of the module. Next, let's look at the core objectives for Chapter 12. We will cover perils against user data, such as PII, PHI, and SPI, including tracking and data trails. We will also examine technical controls like encryption, DLP, GEO, and conditional access. We will also discuss non-technical controls, including legal and regulatory alignment, risk strategies, data retention and purging, and data minimization. Finally, we will cover using data for descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics, as well as the benefits and risks of AI/ML, including adversarial AI. As we go through the chapter, consider the quick scenario lens to pick the right control for different situations. Think about when to pair encryption with data loss prevention versus using masking and tokenization. Expect trade-offs among security, compliance, and usability. Consider applying the least privilege principle using roles and groups, conditional access by geography or device, and drafting retention rules that satisfy both legal hold and privacy requirements. Also, deciding the right analytics choice, descriptive versus predictive. Let's connect this chapter to your lab and podcast assignment. In Live Virtual Machine Lab 12-1, you will practice clear and compliant breach communications, identifying data types, stating controls in place, and citing retention and notification steps. The podcast, Oracle Cloud Breach Exposes Millions What You Must Know, aligns with Chapter 12 by showcasing a real incident linking cloud data protection, access control, and retention/notification. Map each detail to a Chapter 12 control: access, encryption, DLP, retention, and disclosure. Here are some tips for success and a reminder about deadlines. All assignments are due as listed in Blackboard. Follow this workflow: read, then PowerPoints and flashcards, then the lab, and finally, the quizzes. Remember, no late work is accepted. If you have any questions, please email me at trboyd@johnstoncc.edu.